Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert multiple rows at once in your table on the Google Sheets. So in here, I have already opened my Google Sheets, and let's say I want to add um, rows in here in my table in here. So what you need to do is just block on how much you want to add the rows. So let's say I want to add, okay, so this many rows right here. So what you can do is just block the rows and then right click on it, and there will be an option to insert rows. So you can just click on insert 16 rows above, and it will go like this. So you don't need to add or insert a row one by one. You can just block how many rows that you want to add, and then right click on it and click on insert. Okay, so that's a helpful tips for me. I hope you think so, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.